Okay. Okay, this is a quick video talking about the different ways that you can write um, variables and constants and different things in Python. So there are four different ways that are sort of recognized as different cases. A case is the way that you type something. So the first case I'm going to talk about is called Camel Case. Okay, now Camel Case is where you have words that you join together, and I'm going to use my name Nicholas May as an example, where you join them together with a capital letter and no spaces. So for example, Camel Case, if I was going to write Nicholas May, that would be Camel Case, where it's lowercase at the start and then a capital M and there's no spaces. So that's one way, or one way that you might create variables, or that you might have different things that you're naming in Python when you're programming. Now the next version is called Pascal Case. And Pascal Case is pretty much the same as Camel Case, except you have the capital letter at the start as well, right? So you have that capital letter at the start there. So this one could be Nicholas May equals whatever, 5. You know, it's a variable. This one could be Nicholas May equals 5 here, but this one's called Pascal Case, where it has the capital letter at the start and the capital letter of the second word, right? Camel Case is only the capital letter of the second word, and there's no gaps in either of them. Okay, so the next one we talk about, and we've talked about this using Anvil, is Snake Case. Okay, so Snake Case, same sort of thing. I want to put the words Nicholas May, but instead of having the two separate words, there's got to be an underline in between them. So we might have Nicholas underscore May, like that. Now, Snake Case, we could also have it all in capitals, like that. Now, normally when you have it all in capitals, that represents a constant in a program, whereas the other ones might represent variables and that sort of stuff. The one all capitals is considered a constant, okay? So in this situation, they are the two versions of Snake Case, just a normal case one or a capitals, all caps, that can be Snake Case. And I suppose the difference with Snake Case is it's the underline down there, that's the Snake Case. Now the last one that we see sometimes, and this is pretty rare, but you do see this as well, is called Kebab Case. Okay, now Kebab Case, kind of like a shish kebab, is it has a dash instead of an underline. Okay, so it has dash Nicholas May. So all of these are just naming conventions, and you can use them in all different programs in all different ways. It's just so that you know the difference, right? So Camel Case is lowercase and then has a capital for the second word. Pascal Case, capital on each word, so each word has a capital case but no spaces. Same with Camel Case, no spaces. Snake Case, it does have the spaces, but the spaces are represented by an underline, not by a dash, by an underline. And then Kebab Case has like the skewer going right through the middle of it. It's the dash that goes right through the middle, that's Kebab Case. So they're different cases in terms of creating variables or constants or function names or those sorts of things.